Hello guys, and welcome back to another video for today. And in this video I want to talk about Square. Okay, let's change the color. In this video I want to talk about Square. Okay, everything. This video is mainly for long-term investors. You believe in this company, and if you were in Square long-term, shares leaps, today was a big day because we broke this trend from May. Now, before I go in detail, if you guys like this content, make sure to hit like and subscribe over here. And I'm literally posting 3 times a day. We're need to hit 3,000 subscribers, and we're breaking out of this channel for view wise, and I'm almost getting monetized on YouTube. So if you guys enjoy this content, all I'm asking for in return is just to hit that like button and share it with other members. Now, Square, okay? Now I've already made a video on Square, and this was actually a short-term play. And I was in calls because, again, this was a symmetrical triangle and we bought off support. But again, today was a great day and we got stopped out at open. And again, I mentioned in that video, if you break the support, I'm cutting it. I alerted a very nice minus 20%, okay, to save profits from PayPal. But Square is literally just hanging in right over here. Like, the area it is in right now is very it's concerning. We broke the support all the way from May. That was a major support, and today it was down over 3%. Now the question is, how much lower are we going to be going? Now I like to chart out my supports right around over here. I definitely do think we have more room to go down. These are my support levels. The lowest I'm seeing is 192. That is if we get a correction, but that is the lowest I am seeing. Okay, so let's chart this out, and keep in mind that Square does follow Bitcoin, since Square is invested into Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does take a downfall, we might be able to hit that 192 level. But again, if you're in here for the long term, you can start accumulating in shares right around this area. Personally, I think it has a lot more room to drop right around over here. I would start buying in shares. What I usually do is I take out this ruler on TradingView, and from all-time highs, I drag this down. Okay, if it's down 10%, I think that's a solid buy, but we might have more room, around minus 20% from all-time highs also sounds great. But usually we have that if we're down 10% from all-time highs, that usually means it's a correction. But again, keep in mind that we have been consolidating since February, and the consolidation might not be over. Stocks have been consolidating literally for a year. If you guys can look at Amazon has been let's erase this. Amazon has been consolidating since September, and it's September right now. So for Square, don't be surprised if it keeps consolidating. But if you're in here for the long term, you can scale in shares. And again, all-time highs is the breakout. And keep in mind, whenever stocks consolidate, especially Square, this is going to be a play in the future, and I'll be alerting a play in the Discord, like we did with PayPal or Amazon. I've made a whole video on Amazon and EA. Those are some great long-term plays, and Square and PayPal are not a bad idea for leaps. Okay, so overall, we had this happening with Netflix. I did make a whole video on Netflix, but as you guys saw, Netflix had been consolidating for more than 7 months, okay, since January. So keep in mind, you just got to be patient with these plays. When in Square, in the near future, we are going to be breaking out, but here, you guys can start scaling in shares or even leaps for the long term. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, how to, scale in and understanding that, consolidation is good, it's a correction. And if you trade flat, that is a correction. But for right now, Square did break a major support, and we can go lower, and I think we're going to be making high lower lows. And another thing I just realized is, let's move our drawings. We actually have a inverse, we actually have a head and shoulder right over here. So I just saw this, which is very weird, but as you guys can see, we have the head, and this is kind of like the breakout. So I definitely do think we have more room to go down, especially if Bitcoin keeps to tumble over the weekend. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to do all the other things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.